right. Good evening, YouTube. Yeah, just get myself situated here. There. Okay, we've got the briefing up here, but let me just kind of go through my little preamble here first. If you're new here, I'm Mike McCready, the Barcelona trader. We trade live here on YouTube. We're just kind of getting going. These are still beta trials. We teach the exact system that we use publicly and for free because we believe good traders aren't made by secrets and sales funnels, but by structure, discipline, and rep. You'll find everything at thebullunderwater.com, the full course, which is free, daily streams, the tools we use, and the couple things we do offer for sale, such as our Zoom Room membership, which is now open, and the Gold GPT, our AI coach, is in limited beta, and there's a wait list, but I encourage you to get on it. The streams are still in beta, as I said, so you may a glitch or a growing pain now and then, but the trades are where the system works, and if you're ready to take this seriously, we're glad that you're here with us. And with that, let's get into today's pre-session briefing. All right, we've got the same overnight in Asia open heights as we had this morning. Not much has changed. There was not much news today. It looks like we are in the middle of a move on the way down here. Probably could have gotten into that, but we don't have our session really officially started yet. Tariff overhang is structural. Okay. Okay, so we're looking for, what we have going on is the 10-second chart. On over here, we have the 1 minute on spot gold. So let's see where we are. We have what looks like the DM2 bit right here, this yellow dotted line. This purple line up here, a pivot. So we're in those two pivots. We have room to trade on both sides. We've been kind of range bound, kind of between this orange line here, these green lines down here, support and resist. And more recently, since it opened hour and 40 minutes ago, we have kind of been bound in this area, at least for the last half of it. We're just going to see where price moves with that range. Right now, we can kind of put that in a box. Just answered my partner Tana here. Let me make sure I sent that email out. I did. Okay, so that's good. All right. Retail is moderately long, true. Okay, I'll change my numeration there. Okay.
What's good, man?
Just getting started.
Good. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Okay, getting my notepad out so I can take notes. Okay. Where I take my notes by hand. And I'm sure the quality of my handwriting is a window into how I'm feeling. Anxiety, jitters. Oh, here we go. There it is. Yeah, 7:50 p.m. Asia session begins.
All right. Anything happening?
No, we're in between the two and the daily pivots above us, away. Just above the DM2 at 3343.7 is
Okay.
is yesterday's value area low. So there's just that little resistance or that little support area that we see forming there on the 5 minute. Below that blue box, that line right there is the value area low of
Okay.
yesterday. Hasn't really moved. On the 10-second chart, you see that little trot down
Yeah, I just saw that.
just a little bit ago. That was the biggest move that it made since the market's been open.
And that's only 2 pips.
Yeah, yeah. So it's been pretty tame.
Okay.
We've got the hourly and o'clock candle coming up in 7.5 minutes.
So you caught another bad trade that was after I hung up?
Yep, I took a buy right at the top.
It was
Uh,
sketchy.
yeah, right at the top of the session there. It was it went right up there. It showed me like 20 or 30 bucks and decided down. So I got out with a couple $100 and that's it for me.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't like the way it looked at all today. I was like,
Yeah, yeah.
If anything, it was actually complete fake outs at least 3 or 4 different times, right back to back,
Yeah.
you know.
Well,
What was that?
what's that?
I just saw the market shoot up. Make sure I'm on gold. Yeah. All right.
You sure you're on the are you got real-time
Let me
data?
make sure I'm on the right data again. Hold on a second. 753, 753. This is on my not Trade Evade, but Trade Locker.
Uh-huh.
It's doing something different than what the market is doing. That's crazy.
That's weird.
Isn't that crazy?
Got the right asset?
Yeah.
That's weird. That shouldn't be.
No, it shouldn't. Yeah. That's why with me, if I look at a day and it doesn't feel right because of what we saw today,
Yeah.
I'd rather not try and make any money as opposed to losing a couple of dollars, you know?
Yep.
Because then we're really gambling.
Yeah.
And the currency strength chart, man, was showing gold doing one thing, gold doing the complete opposite.
Yeah.
It just was an off day, man.
Yeah.
Forget it was Monday,
I
you
told
know?
Yeah, I told Rock, I said I just probably shouldn't trade Mondays. I always lose money on Mondays. And he said, yeah, I think Tono's told you that a couple times.
Did he say that?
Yeah, yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got to think about Mondays. I'll get up to look, right?
Yeah.
But I don't really count it as one of my days of trading because it's so funky. You know what I mean? You can't really tell. But you never know. Sometimes you make some money on it. Sometimes you just sit out and just wait it out and see what the world is doing. But Mondays are always kind of off.
Yeah.
I like to kind of get a pulse on the world of gold. on Mondays to kind of feel what people are doing and which direction is going.
Mhm.
And today I couldn't put my finger on it. So I was like, even though I made like 150, I'm like, nope.
Yeah. Yeah.
This was like gambling. This wasn't earning. You
Right.
know, I didn't earn it. I
Yeah.
just got lucky,
Yeah.
with two
Yeah.
trades, and that luck can go bad on you quick. And before you know, you $300, $400, $500 negative.
Yeah.
Then you starting the week off in a funk.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to get some black and white photos for my book. I'm trying to think where I can grab them from. ChatGPT don't do photos, right?
Was I create images from scratch, but I've never used it for a photo.
You said you did what now?
I've never used it for a photo. I use it to create images from scratch.
What do you mean though?
So you just type in create an image of, photorealistic image of, blank, 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 and it will create an image for you.
Really?
Yeah. You can't put in like known people. You can't say create an image of Donald Trump because it won't do that. But you can say, create an image of a trader sitting at his desk, looking at multiple screens, um, an expression of angst on his face, and that sort of thing, and it will do that.
I thought it was a different thing than ChatGPT to do that.
Yeah, it used to be, but they integrated.
Integrated, huh? Nice.
And then for all the images that are on the website, the
Hmm.
Barcelona Trader, those are all created. Most of those are all created with WordPress's image creator, AI image creator.
Okay. I talked to my son earlier, man. He was telling me that I think I told you that he had started a business with his partner that's a cop, right?
Hmm.
Did I tell you about that?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, so he had dinner with this billionaire today
Mm.
from the Jewish center that they provide security for.
Hmm.
And the guy he took him out on a ride along
Hmm.
police car. He's like, "Yeah, man, I really like what you guys are doing." You know, he's like, "Yeah, I'll invest in you guys if you need." He's like, "Really?" He's like, "What do you think I should do?" Well, like, hey, man, just grow the business. You got a couple more years as a cop, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, I gotta put the live stream on. All right, the live stream's on the side.
Okay. See what the dollars do. The dollar just dropped. I saw that on the if you look at the dollar yen,
Mhm.
went straight down, and then I'm just looking here on the DXY, it's dropped a bunch.
What does that indicator you have in the top corner, right corner?
Uh, which over here?
No, and on each chart. It says swing direction.
This one on the top right is the DXY 30-minute, and the bottom right is the DXY 1-minute.
No, I mean the actual indicator. That's the little box that says session cup.
Oh, that's this one here? Or no,
No, the
this
one
one
in the
here. I
top
see.
right corner.
Yeah, let's see which one is that. I don't use that. Is that the one with breaks and bounces? No, it. Let's see. Swing ranges. No.
Maybe it's that GMT thing.
Yeah.
Go down like
Uh,
2.
I
Yeah,
don't
that
think
one.
I don't think it's that one. Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Huh. I didn't.
What does it
Oh yeah,
do?
it is. So that one, what I use it for is here on, especially like on a 15-minute chart. I'll show you. It outlines Asia session from 8 to 11 in the morning,
Hmm.
and then it outlines the London session from 3 a.m. to uh, 6 a.m.
Hmm.
and then the Asia session in the evenings from 8 a.m. to 11, or from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. It just
Okay.
draws a little box around it on the 12 candles if it's the 15-minute chart, around
Right.
whatever, 5-minute chart. So I like that box that in because it shows me what my session is, and I can look at it and I can see how much is left in the session really quickly. Or
Right.
I can just look at a glance and see what price did in a specific session without having to look at the time frame and see what time it was.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, well, we're 6 minutes into the session, into the 8 o'clock. Looks like it's trying to.
8 didn't do nothing.
No, didn't do anything on the 8. Another little fake out there to the top.
Yep. Trying to run again. They're basically even gold and dollar
Yeah.
strength wise, but I don't know why they're separated on the currency strength chart like they are.
Well, that's the yen. So
Yeah,
if we
sure.
look at the yen, I guess there is a little bit of a difference, but not as much it looks like.
Yeah. Did you ever, is that is that the gold right there?
What's that?
On the chart I'm looking at, is that the actual gold? Is that still the yen?
This is
No, the one
gold.
on your actual chart,
No,
right underneath.
this is gold and the dollar. These are gold is in
Okay.
yellow and the dollar's in green.
Okay.
No, I don't need this stupid thing that's down here. I'll get rid of that.
Process.
Basically hit the DM2 right after the market opened.
Yeah, it just went up.
Yeah. We've got almost 3 inches of rain here this afternoon already.
In New York?
Yeah.
We didn't get any rain.
No?
Mm-mm.
Been pouring here for the last hours.
That's crazy.
Got 2.8 inches out on the terrace.
Wow.
Oh, it's a little jump up.
What about something just standing still?
Yep, it's one of those nights. Just going to be boring here.
Yeah.
Well, it's an opportunity for me to be disciplined. Not take dumb trades because I'm bored. Alden disappeared.
Yeah.
Ooh. Maybe a little out here.
Itched up a little
Started
bit, but
strength.
uh,
We're starting to see a little bit of a difference in strength. Like it's starting to diverge, and we're getting a little move to the upside. Our pre-session briefing here is that if we get a move at the 4750 and there's volume, that we could get a clean break up to 3355 or 3360. Of course, that is what the briefing says. But what I've been wanting to do recently is to check if what the briefing says is accurate. You know, I'm not taking the briefing's word for anything. But I am interested in.
You have to start double checking it though.
That's what I mean.
Yeah. It probably is kind of accurate. You know what I mean? At least it should be, but
Yeah.
you just never know with ChatGPT and stuff.
Right, and that's what we're building our AI on top of. So I want to kind of see if it knows what it's talking about.
Right.
But the key here is it says there's a break above 3347.50, which is, you know, where we were just a moment ago, about where we are now, plus volume. That's when we know that it's a valid entry. Volume.
Well, say it again.
3347.50, which about where we are now. We're at 33.7.28.
Right.
Says if we get a break above that volume, then that's a bottom. But the out there is the volume. There's no volume
So
in
then
the
it's
market
pretty
right
accurate
now.
then.
Yeah.
It's basically telling us to sit on our hands without the volume, right?
Yeah. Yep. You hear the music, right?
It's good. getting up to your 30, 47, 50 zone.
Yeah. Get some volume coming in. Nice. We have CPI tomorrow.
We've got a
Gold,
couple
it
of things
just,
tomorrow, right?
yeah, CPI and let's see what else we got. It's all CPI, core CPI, median CPI, trimmed CPI year over year. And then, yeah, core CPI, CPI month over month, CPI year over year. Gold edges higher in the early Asian session. Key develops today's US CPI. Inflation remains the core variable steering the Fed's monetary policy and therefore directly impacts market sentiment towards safe and risk assets. So that should definitely give it a direction tomorrow.
Going up for a second, another run. Let's see what it wants to do. Can't seem to break that set 47. It's weird how ChatGPT actually found that level.
Yeah.
I guess as AI gets better and better, we're gonna have to incorporate more and more of it.
Yep. Yep.
All right, we're at 48 now.
Yep. Question is volume ticking up at all? We don't really have much volume.
Don't see it at all. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Let's see. What time is it here? We had the 8:30 candle already.
I want to share a photo with you real quick.
Yeah.
Get your opinion on what you think. I just sent a request to share. Can you see it?
Wait a second. Ooh.
These owls?
Yeah, which one looks the coolest?
The middle one on the left.
On the left,
Yeah,
the middle, or the bottom,
both
or
of
the
those.
top?
The I would say the middle one on the left, but I also like the on the or the middle one on the left. I also like the bottom one on the left.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Where's my mouse now? What's going on? All right, thanks. How long do you normally stay on?
I usually do it till 9:15. I wait and see what the 9 o'clock candle does, and if it doesn't, then it ends up being about an hour and a half in the evenings.
Jeff was saying that it moves, what, 8:30 or 9 o'clock? What was he saying?
He
Do you
says he
remember?
says it moves at 9. Um,
9.
yeah, and in my experience, up until it got or 8 o'clock always had an interesting move too, or at least it did for
Right.
a while. But he said that it was always 9 o'clock for him. So
Okay.
Oh, look at this.
Just like that.
Getting volume in now. I think maybe it's time to get in.
Well, problem is it's starting to run up on that resistance, isn't it?
Oh yeah,
Like
on
the
the
resistance is 50,
15.
right?
Yeah.
So it's like you got a little volume, but now you got resistance. We
Yeah.
can't win for losing.
Right.
Let's see if it gets a little push beyond it. 52 is a daily pivot, so even if it pushes through the 50 resistance, we're on 52. Then we got a clean run, I guess, up to 58. Take somebody out.
Yeah. Okay, we're coming down now. Might break this support on the one. Again, we have some volume.
Low night.
Six minutes for the 9 o'clock candle, and if that does nothing, then I guess we're done.
Yeah. Guess people are waiting for tomorrow's news.
Yeah. Could trade in this range, but it's not reliable, in my opinion.
Trying to go up again, but I think that resistance
Might get
is
to the
just
top of the
keeping it.
range here just in time for the 9 o'clock candle, and maybe it'll push through then.
Yeah.
All right, there's the 9 o'clock right there, seconds ago.
Mhm. I don't think it has momentum behind it. Yeah, reject it. Trying. For me, it's not enough room. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
At 48, even if it breaks this little red resistance, the daily pivot is a big pivot to bust, and that's at right at 52
yep. And it's got these big resistances here on the 1 minute too.
on the 1 minute, and then you got a one on the 5 minute waiting too. I think it's yeah. Pick it up. I'll pick it up tomorrow with you.
Yep. All right.
Yeah. What do you know? What time the news starts?
News is at 8:30.
All right, good. That should give us some direction. You said, good.
Yep. Yep.
All right, another day, another dollar, man.
Another
We didn't
another
lose no
day,
money.
another day, no dollars.
But we didn't lose no money.
Right.
All
Right.
right,
All
later.
right. See ya.
All right.
All right, YouTube. Guess that is the session for now. I'm going to end the session, and we'll be back at 7:30 tomorrow morning for the New York session on 15th. Have a good night.
Oh, interesting. Says the live stream may have already ended. Well, fair enough.